बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सईदा रजा। आई एम a student of class 3 my school name is Fazal Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths chapter number 4 factorization exercise 4.3 question number 1 part 2. Also there are solving of methods too. Middle term break method, and we are using the middle term break method. There are also the types of algebraic expression. We are using the type 4 or type A. Ax square plus bx plus c bracket ax square plus bx plus d plus k. Also the book answers and the steps are written. First of all, equate some terms with any variable. So this and this, we will do this. X square plus 5x is equal to t. Okay, now we have done this. Second, put values. Now we will put values t plus b t plus 6, t plus 6, t plus 4 minus 3. Done this. Now multiply both bracket. This t will be multiplied with t plus 4. This plus 6 will be multiplied with t plus 4 minus 3. t square plus 4t plus 6t (24) minus 3. Now let's check the possibility. We have the possibility this and this. So t square plus 4 and 6 and 4 1 0 10 t plus minus and will become plus 24 minus 3 21. So there are t square. Now we will do the middle term break middle term. So here will come plus 3t plus 7t plus 21 plus 21. Here we can take the t common, t plus 3 is remaining, then t plus 3 is remaining, plus 7 is that outside. Now we have t plus 3, so t plus 7. Now we will equate back variables. Bracket x square plus 5x plus 3 x square plus 5x plus 7 bracket, and it's become your answer. The book answers are written. You can check it. X plus 5x x plus 5x plus 3x square plus 3x square plus 5x plus 7 plus 5x plus 7. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.